I am very busy now.
Şu an çok meşgulüm.
I am very busy now. I am so happy.
Çok mutluyum.
I am so happy. I am at home.
Evdeyim.
I am at home. I am at work.
İşteyim.
I am at work. We are in the park.
Parktayız.
We are in the park. You are right.
Haklısın.
You are right. They are here.
Onlar burada.
They are here. She is here.
O burada.
She is here. He is there.
Orada.
He is there. It is interesting.
Bu ilginç.
It is interesting. It is very interesting.
Çok ilginç.
It is very interesting. It is so interesting.
Bu çok ilginç.
It is so interesting. It is really interesting.
Bu gerçekten ilginç.
It is really interesting. It is important.
Bu önemli.
It is important. It's very important.
Bu çok önemli.
It's very important. It is so important.
Bu çok daha önemli.
It is so important. It is really important.
Bu gerçekten önemli.
It is really important. It is good.
Bu güzel.
It is good. It is bad.
O kötü.
It is bad. It is very good.
Bu çok iyi.
It is very good. It is very bad.
Çok kötü.
It is very bad. It is so good.
Bu çok daha iyi.
It is so good. It is really bad.
Gerçekten kötü.
It is really bad. I am in this city now.
Şimdi bu şehirdeyim.
I am in this city now. I am 50.
Ben 50 yaşındayım.
I am 50. I am 50 years old.
Ben 50 yaşındayım.
I am 50 years old. He is my friend.
O benim arkadaşım.
He is my friend. My name is Victor.
Benim adım Victor.
My name is Victor. We are from England.
Biz İngiltere'deniz.
We are from England. It is very expensive.
Bu çok pahalı.
It is very expensive. It is very cheaply.
Bu çok ucuz.
It is very cheaply. It's so cheap.
Bu çok daha ucuz.
It's so cheap. He is very poor.
O çok fakir.
He is very poor. They are very rich.
Onlar çok zenginler.
They are very rich. I am a student.
Ben bir öğrenciyim.
I am a student. He is a doctor.
O bir doktor.
He is a doctor. He is a teacher.
O bir öğretmen.
He is a teacher. He is a designer.
O bir tasarımcı.
He is a designer. They are friends.
Onlar arkadaş.
They are friends. They are students.
Onlar öğrenciler.
They are students. He is a teacher.
O bir öğretmen.
He is a teacher. She is my teacher.
O benim öğretmenim.
She is my teacher. He is our teacher.
O bizim öğretmenimiz.
He is our teacher. He is my brother.
O benim erkek kardeşim.
He is my brother. She is my sister.
O benim kardeşim.
She is my sister. We are friends.
Biz arkadaşız.
We are friends. She is a mother.
O bir anne.
She is a mother. He is my father.
O benim babam.
He is my father.